Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I can speak English and I can understand English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Ma'am, 100%.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I don't have, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, ma'am. I'm definitely healthy.
Okay, so if you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Okay, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because I heard Malaysia is safe of
Safe
our
country.
travel.
Okay. Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. Perfect, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please help me introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Nina Seron, 32 years old from Philippines. I'm single parent. I have 5 children, 3 daughters and 2 sons. I have 7 siblings, 6 sisters and 1 brother.
Okay, so what is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second?
I'm a six mom.
Okay, you mentioned that you are a single mother, right? Okay, then where is the father of your children? Where is the father of your children?
Mom.
Sorry?
I don't know, mom.
You don't know? Okay. So who will going to take care of your children later?
My sister, mom. My
Okay.
3 sisters.
Okay, so I would like to ask some few more details from you first, okay? Right now you are a single parent. Do you have boyfriend?
No, I don't have, mom.
When is your birthday?
August 1, 1993.
What is your height and your weight?
I'm 5 flat and 43 weight, mom.
54 or 43?
54, mom.
Okay, so what is your religion?
Roman Catholic, mom.
What about your educational background? What is your educational background?
High school graduate, mom.
High school graduate. So this is your first time working abroad. So are you sure that you wanted to work as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am, 100%.
Are you sure? Later you won't cry here. You cannot simply say you go back home because you miss your family. Or if there is any uncertain situations that might happen to your family, you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think you can finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see later. Okay, so is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why you decided to come and work here as a domestic helper? Why not stay in the Philippines?
Because I need financial for my future of my kids, ma'am.
Okay, so according to your profile, you have a working experience way back 2008 to 2009 as an on-call house cleaner. Am I right?
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
1 year.
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
your job responsibilities as a on-call house cleaner?
Cooking meal, cleaning the house, and to take care of 5 years old kids, ma'am.
Okay, so after that, after 2009 and until recently, you are a full-time mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I would like to let you know on working as a domestic helper. Okay? It is a very,
Yes, ma'am.
very tough job, okay? You cannot simply say, as I have mentioned many times, you wanted to go back home because you cannot handle your job anymore. No such a thing because you were going to sign a 2 years contract. You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Houses here is very big, there is no joke. There is a palace also. Bedrooms here is a lot, like 5 or 4. And then you need to take care also the children. Do you think you can endure it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Sorry? Ate,
Yes, ma'am. Please.
can you take care children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. I can.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours. You can
Okay,
you can
ma'am.
endure it.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
cannot hold it for 24 hours, but you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with it?
Okay, ma'am.
We are no go out policy here, okay? So don't you ever mention with the employer that if, sir, ma'am, I wanted to go out on my rest day. No such a thing. Because we are no go out policy here, and you also agree with our terms and conditions. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Because if you disagree, it's fine also. We don't force people to come here. You can stay in the Philippines or maybe you find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you gonna fight your homesickness later? Like if you miss your family or your children, what will you do?
I focus my work during my work duties, and after that, I call my family.
Call your family. Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, okay? And you are a single parent at the same time. There is nowhere to be found for your children's father, right? You don't know where is the father of your children. So you need to thrive along, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
always remind yourself like that why you wanted to come and work abroad. Always remember that. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay? Thank
Okay,
you so
ma'am.
much and have a good day.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.